Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make an aesthetic thumbnail in Canva. So if you are a content creator and want your YouTube videos to look clean, stylish and instantly clickable, create a beautiful aesthetic thumbnail. That is the key to boost your CTR and also growing your channel. And here in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact elements and design that you can do to make stunning thumbnails in Canva. So in Canva, you can have a shortcut. You can easily create a thumbnail by using the templates provided. So you can head into the templates button in here and choose the YouTube thumbnail options. If you can't find it, you can just click on this, or you can just search for it in here. You can just go with thumbnail as the keyword. This one, YouTube video thumbnail. As you guys can see, there will be lots and lots of options of clickable or clickbaiting thumbnail. So you can just choose one that align with your brand or your channel color. For example, you can go with pastel, neutrals, or a vintage color. And after that, you can use the clean layout. So choose the best layout for your thumbnails. And don't forget to find the right simple line art or elements in the Canva library. So let's say I'm going to just use this one in here. You can click on a customize this template, and in here you can modify the photo. You can screenshot a scene from your video and put it in here. You can also change the color of the phone or maybe the background. So I'm going to just, let's say, change the background in here into this one. For example, you can just right click and replace background. And once you're finished, you can just click on share, download, and don't forget to download as a JPG because it's aligned with the size of the thumbnail, and just click on download. So that's how you can create a static thumbnail in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.